I need a new cup. I do not need a new cup. But I found a really cute design. I had this cup already, so why not make it cute? Permanent adhesive vinyl, and then you're gonna need some transfer tape, and of course you're going to need a cup. 24-ounce tapered cold cup. You'll also need like a Cricut mat, a weeding hook, some scissors, and a smile. We've got our design loaded in. I'm gonna grab that layer and attach it. That just makes sure everything stays in the same relative space when it's cutting. Now I'm just gonna click make it. So the next couple steps are just me cutting it on my Cricut Joy Extra, and then I'm gonna weed both layers, but I'm gonna let you enjoy the sounds of that for a second because it is special. Now I'm just gonna lay transfer tape over both layers. Now I'm gonna peel the checkerboard layer back halfway and then align it on my cup and start very carefully applying it. I then applied the bows individually so I wouldn't have to line them all up, and that was way easier. And done.